Well, a good Monday evening. Here's a look at your bus stop forecast brought to you by Window World. Temperatures as you head off to school, they're actually going to be in the 40s, so it won't be too terribly cold out there. And as we head home, we may see temperatures drop a few degrees thanks to a cold front pushing through, but we still have, unfortunately, more showers in the forecast. You can see the radar showing more rain continuing, and it's been pretty consistent all day today. And as we continue into the overnight hours, you're going to notice we start to indicate some of those yellows and oranges showing up a little bit on the radar. And that's an indication of more of some moderate to heavier bands of rain setting up. So that's something we're going to have to monitor overnight tonight with Futurecast showing some of those could be heavy at times. And then as we go into tomorrow, we will start to see a break in the activity, which is good news. We're going to need that to kind of dry things out just a little bit. It's not going to last too terribly long, but a cold front does push through, dry us out a little bit. I think we're dry for Tuesday during the overnight hours. Temperatures will be colder, right near freezing. And then notice what happens as we go into Wednesday morning. Now, some of the models start to bring in this rain a little sooner than others. Depending on how soon it gets in here will depend on how much maybe snow or ice we see before we can transition over to all rain. This model not showing a whole lot of that out there. It shows a little bit up in the Greenbrier and Pocahontas County. Otherwise, we're dealing with more rain on Wednesday, and this is all thanks to an area of pressure, a cold front off to the west. It pushes through as we go through tomorrow, and then here comes our next storm system way down across Texas. You can see it's starting to pick up a lot of moisture from the Gulf, and that system will arrive as we go into your Wednesday. So widespread rain overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning, and then those rain chances really start to drop off pretty significantly, or I think around lunchtime tomorrow, if not an hour or two before. And then we'll be left with just some light scattered showers, and then those will start to dissipate as we go into your overnight hours Tuesday into early Wednesday, and then unfortunately pick back up. So our flood risk out there for tonight is a slight risk for all of our counties. So again, the ground's been very wet, and any more rain we see out there has the potential to create some flooding problems. Now tomorrow we're not under a flood threat because most of the rain will start to push on off to the east. However, that next system that moves in on Wednesday, you start to see that flood threat creep back in our western counties from Nicholas, Fayette, Raleigh, Wyoming, and McDowell, Tazewell under that slight risk. And then our eastern counties are under that marginal risk for some flooding, something we'll have to monitor. Their flood threat is a little elevated, and rainfall amounts between now and early Wednesday look to be in about another ½ inch to maybe up to an inch. But when all is said and done for the rest of the work week, we are still anticipating 2.5 to maybe 5 inches of rain. So your planner for tomorrow features temperatures in the 40s. Notice the chances of rain will start to decrease throughout the day. It's still a little gusty from time to time. Overnight tonight, temperatures will be in right around 50 degrees. Here's your 7-day forecast, 51 with showers tomorrow. And on Wednesday, it could initially start as a little bit of snow and ice. It's not going to be a major concern, but you see temperatures right near freezing Wednesday morning. Then we go to all rain. On Thursday, more rain moves in, and as a cold, very Arctic air mass moves in behind that system, any rain left over would transition over to snow with those overnight lows down into the teens. We go from 52 to 18 Friday morning. Highs not even getting out of the 30s for Friday with Valentine's Day. Mostly sunny though, dry Saturday, and then more rain and snow possible for Sunday and Monday.